StreamYard, the People's Channel.
What's up, football from Yard Massive? We look forward to Jamaica's final game of the CONCACAF U-17 World Cup qualifying stage. The Reggae Youths, currently sitting in second place ahead of Cuba and Guadeloupe on goal difference, will be going up against group leaders Costa Rica at 8 p.m. Jamaica time. Earlier today, Cuba and Guadeloupe played their final match, which ended with Cuba winning 4-0. With a win or draw, Jamaica are through to the next round. The first tiebreaker in the group stage is goal difference, and the second is goals scored if needed. As such, Jamaica will most likely qualify even if they lose, as long as the loss is not by more than a 5-goal margin. If the Youths pull off a big victory against Costa Rica and are ranked number 1 in the group, they will play against Puerto Rico in the knockout stage. With a second place finish, they'll play against host nation Guatemala, and with a third place finish, they'll play against Panama. The Costa Rican team appeared to be an organized and polished unit in their first two matches, a 2-1 defeat of Guadeloupe and a 4-0 beating of Cuba. They did, however, look quite vulnerable against physicality and the pace of the Guadeloupe attackers in particular. The Jamaican attackers have consistently looked dangerous, although getting the ball to the forwards and the connectivity of the forwards hasn't necessarily been optimal. Costa Rica is likely to have a fitness advantage due to the team's overall tournament approach, referee decisions, and tactics. Unlike Costa Rica, Jamaica did not rotate any of their starters for the second stage game, which they ended up playing down by one man due to Nashan Bolt-Barrett's red card. Whether by coaching tactics or player choices, the players also spent large portions of the match chasing long balls and defending as Guadeloupe restarted their attacks after defending the errant long passes. The coaching staff has a bold or not so bold choice to make, depending on your point of view. They can go all in to secure a positive result to achieve the position they would like to be ranked in the group. Or they can rotate some players who may be tired after 2 matches in a short period of time, or a player like Adrian Reed who's on a yellow card, with the goal of having the team as fresh as possible for the elimination matches on the weekend. They picked the latter. Coach Marion Gordon's lineup was released just prior to the kickoff, and goalkeeper Joshua Grant came in for his first start of the tournament. Central defender Reed was replaced by Alex Xavier Gooden. Brandon Bent replaced suspended left back Nashan Bolt-Barrett. Jason White was in the midfield for Ronaldo Barrett, and Ashton Gordon got his first start in place of Dunstan Cohen. Regardless of lineup, the coaching staff has to emphasize to the youngsters that they need to be more efficient with the football and make more shorter passes. The team usually starts out at the speed of light as they try to play the ball behind the opposition defense. The approach is not a sustainable one over the long term. As fatigue sets in throughout the match, the long passes over the top start to become passes to the opposition. Hopefully the coaching staff will discuss the matter with the squad, and going forward the team will exhibit greater variety in their approach and settle down. Respect as always. Linkage next time.